and welcome back to another video. So today you're probably wondering what this big mess, it's not actually a mess, it's a parcel, and yeah, as you can see with the title, it is some new shoes, and yeah, I'm just going to do a quick review on it. Let's get into this video. Let's start opening it, I guess. Let you guys see. Ready? Oh, it's a red box.
Oh, well done.
I've never actually had a different coloured Nike box. I've always had the orange box. I think I've had one or two black boxes before, but I can't quite remember. But I've never in my life owned a red box, so props to Nike, I guess. All we got. Case of return label. Whoa, they look nice. They look alright, to be honest. Let's get a thumbnail. Oh, that worked. Right, let's get them out. Right, I'm gonna put the box over here. Like that. Yeah, here it is, guys. To be honest with you, I don't actually know the name. I'm going to have a look. Right guys, so after like 10 minutes I'm finally back. They are called, and here's some proof, Nike Air Max Invigor print men's trainers. And there they are. In Sports Direct. That didn't work. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a screenshot. But yeah, they're the Nike Air Max from Sports Direct, so shout out to Sports Direct, I guess. It does look like someone's been wearing them though. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it actually looks like it. But they're alright, I guess. We've got some nice, like, faded. I did a video ages ago, I put a picture here. The Nike Air Max 2016, I think, or 2015, in red. It like fades like this does. But yeah, they actually look really nice in my personal opinion. Don't know what you guys think, but just comment down below. These are a size 8.5. I don't know if you can see. No. There's a back, and you got the gel. I can remember my Air Max 2016. They actually popped, like they had a puncture in it, and that wasn't too good. But hopefully these will improve themselves. And yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. If you did like it, please leave a like and subscribe. Can't thank you guys enough for making me reach 400 subscribers. It means so much to me. And yeah, go check out Sports Direct, and I'll see you guys tomorrow back with another video.
So pardon my manners, just something about you turns me to a savage.